down my phone, and all of a sudden, boom.
I'm gonna just take a look at it. Go in and just like take. Is this comfortable for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Cool.
718 dispatch.
Yeah.
Why don't you have the captain respond?
I don't feel anything out of the asshole. We're still gonna have our medic come and check you out, all right?
Yeah.
All right.
Disregard that. 718 secure that.
All right.
You're done? Yeah, all set. Yeah.
He's okay. I just checked for anything on his back. I didn't feel anything.
No, that's him. I'm right here. You're right here. I helped.
Who hit him?
He hit the trailer. I don't know. So he kept coming.
Okay.
And I tried to.
Okay. And you were in this vehicle? So you were stopped.
I was getting ready to turn in. I don't think he was looking. That's the thing.
Yeah. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. It hit the trailer. You know. I don't know if I'm gonna. I gotta take this tire. I don't even know if I can drive it out of here. Right?
Yeah. I don't know. Yeah.
I could try to get this.
I'm gonna block all this.
Yeah.
Tell that biker you gotta go the other way.
You're gonna have to go back around.
Everybody?
Yeah, everybody. You're gonna have to go back around.